you last week. We now have the video. A woman was inside of a police car. The police decided to park the car on a train track. We now have the video of that horrific outcome. Here it is.
Oh my God.
Let's put up the picture of this young lady.
Oh my God.
This is so sad. Detainee Gonzalez was detained by police and seriously injured after getting hit by.
Hey y'all, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates, man. This is a sad one. I got nothing to say.